Good morning. Today we will continue with chapter 10, Solution of Triangles, and we will discuss self-practice 9.6. Now we look question number 1. Farid carried out archery training on a field. The diagram on the right shows two target boards which have to be struck by arrows. So you have board 1, board 2 here. The distance between Farid and board 1 and board 2 are 25 and 45. So Farid to board 1 is 25 meter and Farid to board 2 is 45 meter respectively. The standing position of the shooting is 38 degrees. So the angle here is 38 degrees between board 1 and board 2. Calculate the distance between board 1 and board 2. That means they ask what is the distance between board 1 and board 2 here. So you can see clearly that this one we can apply cosine rule. That means we know the opposite angle here 38, so we are going to find these opposite sides. So let the distance between these two boards, board 1 and board 2, we label it as x. So this x square will be equal to 25 square plus 45 square minus 2 times 25 times 45 cos 38. So you square it, you will get 29.614 meter. Thus the distance between the boards is 29.614 meter. Next we look question number 2. Frank planted 4 iron rods in the ground and installed wires to build clotheslines. The sketch of the clotheslines built by Frank is shown in the diagram here. A, B, C, D. The wire AB is parallel to wire CD. So both are parallel. When they say parallel, you can draw this symbol. Calculate the total length of the wire used by Frank. So you want the total length, you have AB, you know AB, you know BC, and you know CD, but you don't know the length of AD. So you want to find the length of AD. What we can do when they say AB and CD are parallel, so we can use the concept of alternate angle, or the famous term is zigzag. So CD here, you can see the zigzag here, AB to CD. Okay, since both CD and AB are parallel, so the angle B here and the angle D here are equal, same. So you can find the angle D first, cos D here. That means the opposite sides will be 8. So 8 square equal to, so you just apply the cosine rule, equal to 5 square plus the other angle, the other side, that is 10 square, minus 2 times 5 times with 10 times with cos D. Then after that, you solve this. So you solve this, you will get cos D equals to 10 square plus 5 square minus 8 square over 2 times 10 times 5. So the angle D, you will get to 52.41. Then that angle D is equal to angle B here. So from there you can find the opposite side, AD. So AD square equal to 10 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 10 times cos 52.41. So the length of AD is 8.8 8.8317. So the total length of the wire is AD 8.8317 plus with 10 AB and BD 10, CD 5 and BC 8. So you will get 41.832. You have to notice that there's a line between B and D. That means there's a wire between B and D also. So you have to add BD also. That's why 10 plus with 10. Okay, next we look question number 3. The diagram on the right shows the positions of the house of 4 friends. Amin, Imran, Johan, and Radin. During Hari Raya, Amin wants to visit all the 3 houses of his friends. Amin intends to pick up Imran and then send him back home before he returns to his house. What is the total distance traveled by Amin for the whole journey? That means Amin will go to Imran's house, then pick up him. Then maybe they go to Johan's house first. Then from Johan's house, maybe they go to Radin's house. Then come back to Imran because he have to bring him back home. Then he go back his home. Amin. So this is the total roughly how he wants to go to his friend's house. So from Amin to Imran's house is already given 8 kilometer. But you can notice here, after Imran, he went to Johan's house. Then from Johan, go back to Radin, then come back to Imran. That means from Johan to Radin is twice. And also from Amin to Imran also twice. The length you have to times with 2 lah. Okay. So first, but we know the length between Amin and Imran's house, that is 8. So we need to calculate the length or distance between Johan and Radin's house. So how we can use this triangle? You know the length of this part, this side is 9. Here is 9.5 and the angle is 120. So you use a cosine rule. Maybe we can label it the distance between Johan's house to Radin's house. We label it as x. So x square equals to 9 square plus 9.5 square minus 2 times 9 times 9.5 cos 120. So you square it, you will get 16.023. So the total distance traveled by Amin, okay, from Amin to Imran's house, 8. Plus with, you can notice this arrow. From Imran to Johan, then we come back Radin to Imran. That means this equal to this distance between Johan to Radin's house. That's why we take, maybe we can take 2 multiply with 16.023. Then after that, after he sent back Imran, he went back to his home. Amin. That means another 8 kilometer. That's why here they put 2 times 8 plus 16.023. So the total distance traveled by Amin is 48.046. So I hope you all understand the explanation given. Thanks for watching.